Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a flash flood warning for north central Clark County in southern Nevada until 9:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 6:43 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain near Coyote Springs. Nearly 1 inch of rain has fallen in 15 minutes at Elbow Canyon. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of low-water crossings, creeks, normally dry washes, and roads. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Senior 168-mile marker 21 and Coyote Springs. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. The National Weather Service